that the speed doesn't drop back to nothing. And it's 70 knots. Yeah. Yeah, he's turned in if you turn in now. Stabilised approach. Yeah, well, speed's been pretty constant. Alright, final stage.
Yep. Tango Alpha, go turning downwind, touch and go. Tango Alpha.
When that final stage comes out, you've got to couple that with a nose down pitch.
Okay.
Yep. To maintain your speed, otherwise, you know, you'll lose it all.
Tower, Warrior, Lima, Bravo, Lima, Academy 1500, inbound, receive uniform.
That's it, then keep that.
Lima, join upwind at 1500,
Keep that attitude on it. Because sometimes you get updrafts, you can't compete with updrafts with power, so you have to intervene with attitude.
Lima Sierra Papa, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Lima Sierra Papa. Okay, it's a nice stabilised approach there, Mark. Give a little bit of power on to help you get to the 7-8.
Bravo Lima, okay, I'll change that, thanks. Track over to
power on.
3 mile final for change of runway right.
Power on, power on.
Tower 1, 2, 3 days.
Power on, 3 miles. Lower the nose.
Lima Bravo, Lima, track to join 17 right, report 3 miles.
But still in the stabilised approach, looking good. And bad now, you get rid of it. But keep going for the 7-8, keep going for the 7-8. That's better, all the power off, all the power off. Nice stroke, keep in the air, and just no brakes. That's got it. Nice and straight. That's away, not with your hands, with your feet. And when you lift, look for a point in the clouds and keep going
Tango
forward.
Alpha uniform, clear touch and go. Clear touch and go, Tango Alpha uniform.
I've got to get that to say, use your rudder instead of leaving altitude. I was pushing at it.
Tango Alpha,
it's not quite enough.
Follow the
Yeah, you need quite a bit. And you can't just push it in and let it go, you've got to push it and hold it in. Yep. And don't go in, out, in, out, in, out, just find what needs to be. Needs to be there. Yeah, good, you're traffic checking, that's good. Just gentle with the turn, not a steep turn. Because the idea is, what I like to do is just back off that to about 15 degrees, because then you come out like that onto downwind, so you don't actually fly a straight crosswind leg. Because that keeps you nice and tight. Looking good. The other thing with this aircraft is it's got a very coarse pitch on the propeller, which makes it extremely hard to slow down when you're diving the nose at the ground. Okay, that's 1,000. Power the nose, power back. Yep. 22. And turn. Lima Sierra Papa, turning downwind, touch and go.
Lima Sierra Papa, follow the Cherokee, light downwind.
Looking for traffic, Lima Sierra Papa. Yeah, you still haven't quite found that sweet spot with the nose. Yeah. There's my traffic over here. That's all right, you got him.
Tango Alpha Echo, clear touch and go.
Straight, you got him. Yeah, I'm just a bit close to the runway. No, you're not. It's a good distance. Back, brakes. Undercarriage. Mixture, master mags. Watch it on the tape when you get home, you'll see it. Up she goes. Landing light on. Shit. It's not a Warrior. Don't use this. It's different, isn't it? It's very different. traffic on. He's right out there over the city. Oh no, there he is. There he is. Yep. Okay, bring your power back now. They're still going that height, mate. Still going that height. I was just trying to hold the nose up.
Just past Academy, 2006, tracking overhead.
No, start to turn. You don't have to wait until you get the flap out until you start your turn. Alright, so
Tango Sierra Papa, Roger, maintain.
that's it. And if you want the speed back a bit more, you just hold the nose up a little bit more. Okay? So we're right, there you go. There's the flap, so put that on. You've got to couple that with a nose forward push, and it's heavy. It's heavy. So you've got to push against it and trim
report
against
to
it.
overhead, please.
Shut up. Where's the circuit breaker on that thing?
Tango Alpha Juliet, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Tango Alpha Juliet.
Stabilizer approach, get it back to 70 knots. Something? Yeah.
Tango up there, go turning downwind, touch and go.
And when you roll straight, you got to push the rudder back the other way.
Tango Alpha Juliet, follow the Cherokee's late base.
Tango up there, go.
Okay, final stage. Yeah, and what do you got to couple that with? Push forward. Yeah, a little push forward, that's the way. And maybe trim forward. Change configuration. Change trim.
Clear to land.
Clear to land, Lima Sierra Papa. Did you say full stop or? Oh, let's do a full stop, mate. This is good. This one's good. But maintain it over the lakes and over that first little bit of bitumen. This is looking really good. That's 70. That's it. But remember the updrafts? Sometimes you've got to counteract the updrafts with the attitude because they're more sudden rather than anything else. Brilliant. Brilliant. Just feel it out. That's got it. Just keep it there. Oh, don't push forward. That's got it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. Just gentle braking. At 2-2. Yeah, you can ask for 2-2. Yeah. Lima Sierra Papa, request exit on 2-2.
Lima Sierra Papa, vacate on the 2-2.
2-2, Lima Sierra Papa. Good one. Yep. That was a nice approach, mate. That was better. That was a nice approach. That was a really nice approach.
Okay, Tango Beautiful.
And you've still got to cross the yellow line, so there's one just over here. So if you backtrack onto Foxtrot here, okay. You don't have to tell me, just do it.
Turning downwind for full stop.
Tango Alpha Juliet, follow the Cherokee on mid-base.
Tango Alpha Juliet. Moorabbin Tower, Alpha Bravo, India, ready, 17 left for circuits.
Alpha Bravo, India, cleared for takeoff.
Alpha Bravo, India, cleared for takeoff.
Oh, as usual, yeah, good. Sweating like a pig. What are you going to be like when I take you for a fly my citation one day? Mate, I won't be sweating there. Okay, so strobes off, nav lights off, landing light off, beacon still on, and go across to the ground.
X-ray Tango Yankee, airborne.
X-ray Tango Yankee.
Doesn't revs. What have I forgotten? No, nothing. Okay. And we're on Foxtrot. Yep. I think so. Someone splits it down the middle. We're going to head off on Bravo. Yeah, probably.
And we're on there, and we're on there. Don't make that mistake again.
Yep.
Moorabbin ground, Lima Sierra Papa on Foxtrot, request taxi to the Royal Vic apron.
Departures east runway 17 right,
Redoing the ATIS.
decimal 1. Arrivals and departures west runway 17 right, frequency 123.0. Restricted area Romeo 932 at Albert Park is active. Wind 210 degrees,
don't roll.
0 knots, crosswind maximum 8 knots. Visibility in excess of 10 kilometres. Cloud fuel 3,500. Temperature 17, QNH 1025.
That's right.
Okay.
Moorabbin ground, Lima Sierra Papa on Foxtrot, request taxi to the Royal Vic apron.
Lima Sierra Papa, hold short of 17 right.
Hold short, 17 right, Lima Sierra Papa.
That's Alpha 4, so we go up to Bravo, eh?
Yep, sure. Very good.
Okay. Strobes on.
Yep.
Moorabbin ground, Charlie X-ray Zulu.
Charlie Zulu, taxi to the apron.
To the apron, Charlie X-ray Zulu.
I can taste that beer.
Unbelievable.
Did you see the videos from last week at all?
No.
Oh, you're asking about what the sound came out like on it. It's the best of the lot.
Oh, for this one?
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
Really good.
Lima Sierra Papa on Bravo, cross 17 right, taxi to the apron.
Cross 17 right on Bravo and taxi to the apron, Lima Sierra Papa.
So what's the legalities of taxiing? You know, we turned right onto Foxtrot. Do you have to stop, you know, at your first opportunity and then wait for instructions, or can you make up your own mind, and just as long as you're not crossing any runways?
What you want to do is you want to exit the runway,
Yep.
however is the safest and most convenient,
Yep.
cross a holding point and then stop.
Right, okay.
If it means that you've got to go that little bit of extra distance to cross that holding point, then you do so.
Right.
And when you exit on 2-2, a bit of contention about this. When you exit on 2-2, don't stop on 2-2 because you're not technically in an area that ground controls.
Right, okay.
You're in an area that the tower controls.
Moorabbin ground,
Alright, so for here we want to go up in front of the Cessnas.
Yeah, we might just swing it around and push it back in.
Okay.
Hold short 17 right, Tango Alpha 2.
Just the reason I ask is that, you know, various times I've pulled off and gone further just because somebody might come out behind me.
Alright, now that's acceptable.
Right.
And that's preferred if you just go that little bit further to allow someone else to exit behind you. But you would land, then taxi all the way down Bravo and hold short of that runway and then contact ground because they'll have a heart attack.
If they see you wandering off.
Yep, that's it.
Okay, so there's a drain just here. Do we want to make it do a
Actually,
swing?
what you can do, keep going straight and taxi in between VCY and EWN and come back around.
Bravo, cross 17 right, taxi to the apron.
Trying to miss all these ropes. And that wing.
That's it, Narco. You missed your wing, that's fine. Heaps of room there. That's it. this way. Now swing her in. Hold down. Come on.
Okay. Listen revs. Left. Both. Right. Both. Avionics off this time, eh?
Brilliant.